Good morning, children. Today we will start with our lesson 2. Name of the lesson 2 is Food, Health and Hygiene. Food, Health and Hygiene. First of all, we will study about food. Everybody know what is food? We all eat food daily. Let's think what will happen when we don't eat food. We will feel weak and sick because food that we eat gives us energy and keeps us active and healthy. We all need food for development and growth of our body. We need food to get energy and remain healthy. There are different kinds of food items which come from either plants or animals. Some people are vegetarian. It means they only eat plant product. Some people are non-vegetarian. That means they eat meat, fish, chicken and animal product, etc. These food items are cereals, pulses, vegetable, fruits, nuts, milk, meat, egg, oil, ghee, butter, cheese, etc. These food items contains different kind of nutrients. Now the question come to your mind is, what are these nutrients? Nutrients are the substance which present in our food, and these nutrients help us in growth and development and maintenance of our life. These nutrients which are present in our food are grouped as carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals. So first of all we will study about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are also called energy giving food because carbohydrate gives us energy. The children who play a lot and the people who do physical work more need a lot of carbohydrate. All these carbohydrate nutrients present in our food like cereal, potato, rice, wheat, honey, etc. Potato, rice and wheat are some main sources of carbohydrate. Children, you are playing a lot, so that you must have to eat food which contains more carbohydrate, like 3 chapati and full plate rice you have to eat daily. Now next group of nutrients are proteins. Proteins are called bodybuilding food. It helps us to grow. Proteins are required for tissues and for muscles building. Growing children and old people need more protein. Proteins are present in our food like meat, fish, egg, milk, pulses, soybean, cheese, etc. Milk is a very good source of protein. Milk also contains carbohydrate, fats and minerals, and that is why milk is also called a complete food. Children, you are in growing age, so that you need more protein for growth. So you must have to eat full bowl of pulses, egg and milk daily. Another category of the food is fats. Fats are also called energy giving food like carbohydrate, but it gives us more energy than carbohydrate. Our body also produces some fats from the food that we eat. Fat help us to keep our body warm. But excess of fat in our diet is harmful for our body. People become fat by eating excessive fatty food regularly. Various sources of fat are vegetable oil, ghee, butter, cheese, cream, etc. These are the sources of fats. Okay, now next group of food is vitamins. Vitamins are the nutrients that our body required in very small amount. They keeps our body healthy and free from diseases. That is why vitamins are also called protective food. Fresh fruits and vegetables are the main sources of vitamins in our body. There are 4 types of vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. Fresh fruits and vegetables are the main sources of vitamins. So, we should have to eat fruits and vegetables daily. Come to the next nutrients, minerals. Minerals are also required in our body in very small amount. Minerals are required for strong bones and teeth and functioning of muscles and heart. Green leafy vegetables like broccoli, lettuce, spinach, cabbage, parsley, fruits, nuts, eggs. Eggs, nuts, fruits are the main sources of minerals. Example of minerals are iron, calcium, iodine, phosphate. Once more, the green leafy vegetables like broccoli, lettuce, spinach, cabbage, parsley and fruit, nuts, egg, salt, milk are the sources of minerals. Now next component of the food is water. Water is also one of the important component of food. We should drink plenty of water. It helps us to remove the toxic substances from our body. It also helps in digestion. We should drink pure and clean water. A human adult should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Next nutrients is roughage. Roughage means fibers. Roughage is the fiber present in plant food like raw salad, corn, cabbage, carrot and fruits. Roughage is not have any nutritive value, but it is the important component of our food. It helps us to get rid of undigested food material easily from our body. Roughage is not have any nutritive value, but it helps us to get rid of undigested food. That's all for today's class, children. Thank you. Have a good day.